Azad arrived in the USA with one dream: to change his life.
Sometimes he wanted to give up.
One day his boss said, "Hard work never betrays. Keep going."
To my response. Those words changed everything.
And within a year, he learned English and got a better job.
And a step of creating heart. He kept upgrading himself, step by self.
5 years later, he finally got a job in an American tech company. Azad's perseverance leading to his success. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from not quitting.